Hello everyone. You might think your old SIM card is only good for the trash, but I'll show you how to give it a completely new purpose, capable of pulling in crisp, clear TV signals. First, I'm starting by carefully extracting the SIM card from this old smartphone. I'm using a SIM ejector tool to push into the small hole on the SIM tray, gently releasing it. This SIM card, often discarded, is actually quite powerful, and we're going to give it a whole new life. Next, I'm placing this small chip onto a piece of wood. This wooden base will provide stability for our project. I'll use some strong adhesive to secure the chip firmly in place. It's important that it doesn't move while we work. Once the chip is secured, I'm taking my soldering iron and some solder. I'll carefully apply solder to the contact points on the chip. This prepares the chip for connecting other components, ensuring good electrical conductivity. For the main antenna elements, I'm taking a piece of PVC pipe and a long strip of copper. I'll begin wrapping the copper strip tightly around the PVC pipe, forming a coil. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. The number of turns and the tightness of the coil affect its reception capability, so I'm aiming for uniformity. This coil will serve as one half of our antenna. Once they're wrapped, I gently slide the PVC pipe out, leaving us with perfect, standalone copper coils. These will act as our signal receptors. I'll now attach these copper coils to our wooden base. I'm positioning one coil on one side of the chip and securing it with small screws through the copper and into the wood. This provides a strong mechanical and electrical connection. I'll do the same for the second coil on the opposite side. I used a soldering iron and thin tin wire to tin the two screws that were just shot into the copper wire. This tinning helps prepare the screws for the next soldering process. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Next, I will take two small copper wires and connect them. Then, I will carefully solder these copper wires to the screws and to the reused phone chip. This is very important for the effective transmission of the received signal. I'm repeating the coiling process to create a second copper coil, similar to the first. I'm securing these wires firmly into the screw terminals. This provides a secure and easy-to-use connection point for our coaxial cable. This will form the other half of our dual-element antenna design. Once the two copper wires are securely attached to the copper coil, I will solder two thin wires from the SIM card. This step ensures that the signal received from the copper coil is transmitted directly to our tiny SIM card chip. The soldering iron will heat the solder joint to create a strong connection, which is important for effective signal transmission. To make our connections clean and secure for the coaxial cable, I'm attaching a terminal block to the two wires extending from our SIM card setup. This provides an easy and reliable way to connect the external cable without direct soldering each time. I'll tighten these screws securely. Next, I'm preparing a coaxial cable, which will transmit the signal to our TV. I'll carefully strip back the outer insulation, then trim the braiding and dielectric to expose the central copper conductor. This precision is important for getting a clean signal. Then, I'll attach an F connector to this end of the cable, ensuring all strands are properly seated for a secure connection. This ensures a proper connection to our TV. I'm doing the same process for the other end of the coaxial cable. I'll strip the outer jacket, exposing the shielding, and then carefully strip the inner insulation to reveal the central copper wire. This end will connect to our terminal block, so precise stripping ensures proper electrical contact without any short circuits. I'm making sure it's nice and tidy. It's time to connect the prepared coaxial cable to our terminal block. I'll insert the central conductor into one terminal and the shielding into the other, then tighten the screws firmly. This creates a secure and efficient connection, ensuring the signal flows correctly from our homemade antenna to the TV. This completes the main circuit. And here it is, our completed DIY antenna, made from simple components and that tiny SIM card chip. As you can see, the TV currently displays no signal. This is the before in our television viewing experience. Look at that! Instant, clear reception. Our homemade device is successfully boosting the signal, giving us a perfect picture. Within moments, the TV detects available channels, and look at that, a perfectly clear picture. It's incredible how a discarded SIM card, with a bit of ingenuity, can bring a wide range of channels to your screen. No more no signal messages, just crisp, free television. To really show you the difference, I'll disconnect the antenna. See, no signal immediately returns. But once I reconnect it, bam! Instant channels. It's working exactly as intended. There you have it. A fully functional TV antenna crafted from an old SIM card chip. This project truly proves that with a little creativity, you can turn ordinary items into extraordinary solutions. If you were amazed by this transformation and found this video inspiring, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected items you'd like to see me transform next. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.